फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल में जो लॉजिक है अपना क्या है, f of x is given, f of x plus h is obtained by replacing each x by x plus h and substitute the values in the formula. Limit of f of x plus h minus f of x upon h as h tends to 0. Now once you substitute the values of f of x and f of x plus h, solve the problem as that of limit. If algebraic sum is there, then you will try to cancel h, and if trigonometric sum is there, then you will try to make the pair of sin h upon h, and if exponential sum is there, then you will try to reduce it in the formula a raised to h minus 1 upon h, that is equal to log of. Are you understanding? Now in this case the variable is h instead of x. Clear? Now let's see the very first sum of by first principle. They have given you a function as 3x minus 2 upon 3x plus 2. In the examination, always solve the problem on derivative by first principle, because you can check the answer with the help of derivatives. So the method says f of x is given, f of x plus h is obtained by replacing each x by x plus h. So I am going to replace both the x by x plus h, 3x plus 3h minus 2. I have replaced x by x plus h and I have multiplied. Similarly, this will be 3x plus 3h plus 2. Now substitute these values in the formula. बच्चों formula सबका ऐड हुआ है, चलो बोलो f of x plus h minus f of x upon h as h tends to 0. Now here I am going to substitute the values. F of x plus h is 3x plus 3h minus 2. 3x plus 3h plus 2. बच्चों f of x plus h की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दी, माइनस f of x फंक्शन इज 3x minus 2 upon 3x plus 2 upon h. I will write down here, or even if I write down here, the matter is one and the same. Please check the substitution. I have replaced the value of f of x plus h minus f of x upon h. Now I am going to take the LCM. Bachcho, there will be 2 3s are 6 terms will be there. These 6 terms and these 6 terms. In all 12 terms will be there. Don't get afraid of this. Your ultimate aim is to cancel h. Means जिस term के पास h नहीं होगा वो cancel हो जाएंगे, and the terms which will have h, take h common and cancel. If final aim in your mind, h tends to 0, try to cancel h. Clear? So I am going to multiply. The LCM is 3x plus 3h plus 2 into 3x plus 2. Now with this 3x plus 2 I am going to multiply here. 3x से multiply कर दूंगा तो 9x square plus 9xh minus 6x. Please check. 3x से multiply कर दिया, 9x square 9xh minus 6x. Now I am going to multiply by 2. So this will be 6x plus 6h minus 4. Minus sign if outside the bracket. Now with this 3x plus 3h plus 2, I am going to multiply 3x minus 2. So when I multiply by 3x, that will be 9x square minus 6x. When I multiply by 3h, 9xh minus 6h. When I multiply by 2, 6x minus 4. Your denominator h is as it is. So check कर लो. When I take the LCM, 3x plus 3h plus 2 and 3x plus 2 is the LCM. Denominator का h भी वैसे के वैसे देती है. With these 2 terms, I multiply these 3 terms and I get those 6 terms. With these 3 terms, I have multiplied these 2 terms and I get these 6 terms. In all, one dozen terms are there, please don't get afraid. Keep the concept in the mind. नॉन h वाले टर्म्स कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, h वाले टर्म्स रहेंगे वो कॉमन ले लेंगे, ठीक है। तो -6x कैंसिल बच्चों, now here -6x and +6x gets cancelled, plus 9x square and -9x square gets cancelled, plus 9xh and -9xh gets cancelled बच्चों, -4 and minus of -4 plus 4 gets cancelled. What remains is 6h minus of -6h, मतलब 12h upon h into 3x plus 3h plus 2 into 3x plus 2. So here h gets cancelled. Now you can replace h by 0 because denominator is no longer 0. So now I replace h by 0, so 3x plus 2, 3x plus 2, it is 3x plus 2 the whole square. Check the sum properly, देख लो बच्चों बराबर से, algebraic. एक बार फिर से summarize कर रहा हूँ, देख लो बराबर से. I want to find out derivative of this by first principle. So logic says f of x is given. F of x plus h is obtained by replacing each x by x plus h. Substitute the values in the formula. F of x plus h minus fx upon h as h tends to 0. So I have substituted the value of f of x plus h minus fx upon h. Solve the problem as that of limit. Means what I am going to do? I am going to cancel h. ठीक है? I have taken the LCM. Got 6 terms. With this I have multiplied. Got 6 terms. अच्छा LCM वैसे के वैसे. Now जिनके पास h नहीं है, those terms got cancelled. और जिनके पास h है, वो सिर्फ ये terms बचे. 6h and 6h is 12h. h gets cancelled. Replace h by 0. And you get this. Clear? देखो यहाँ से. Bachcho, now see next sum. Function is being given as tan of 4x. Tan of 4x, right? Bachcho, once again the problem will go exactly with the same logic. I want to find out the derivative of first principle for this. F of x is given. F of x plus h is obtained by replacing each x by x plus h. So I did tan of 4x plus 4h. Substitute these values in the formula. बच्चों formula सब जन का बाहर हुआ है. चलो बोलो f of x plus h minus f of x upon h as h tends to 0. So f of x plus h minus f of x upon h as h tends to 0. Now once you substitute the values, solve the problem as that of limit. Now what does the logic say? H tends to 0. So we try to make the pair of sin h upon h. Sin h upon h की pair कैसे बनाएंगे? Both tan we will write down it as sin upon cos. Then we will take the LCM and apply the formula of sin of a minus b from right to left. तो sin h upon h की pair बन जाएगी. बराबर है बच्चों? So see that processing. Both tan I am going to write down it as sin upon cos. This tan also sin upon cos. The whole thing upon h मैं यहाँ लिखूँ या यहाँ लिखूँ बात एक ही है. मानते हो? Now I am going to take the LCM. So when I take the LCM, sin 4x plus 4h cos 4x minus, I am taking the LCM, cos 4x plus 4h sin 4x upon cos 4x plus 4h cos 4x. Please check that out. When I take the LCM, sin 4x plus 4h cos 4x minus cos 4x plus 4h sin 4x. Now, बच्चों, you can treat this whole term as a and this term as b. So this is the expansion of sin of a minus b. मानते हो? बच्चों, एक टर्म sin का, एक टर्म cos का, तो expansion sin का रहता है. दोनों टर्म cos के, दोनों टर्म sin के, तो expansion cos का रहता है. ठीक है? तो 1 upon h as it is sin of a minus b. Denominator is cos 4x plus 4h. Cos 4x. बच्चों मानते हो? Expansion 4x plus 4h minus 4x. Now here 4x gets cancelled. बच्चों ये sin 4h and h का पेयर बना दो. sin 4h upon h. इसका एक लिमिट ले लिया and 1 upon cos 4x plus 4h. cos 4x का एक पेयर बना दो. Do you agree with me? sin 4h upon h का एक पेयर बना दिया and cos 4x plus 4h cos 4x. Now I have to make the provision of 4. Divide by 4 and multiply by 4. Now this is 1 into 4. 4. बच्चों यहाँ h के जगह पे 0 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो. cos 4x cos 4x cos square 4x ऊपर जाके sec square 4x. Do you agree with me? You can tally the answer. बच्चों कंपोजिट जैसे ट्रीट कर लो. tan को तोड़ो. क्या आएगा? sec square 4x. 4x का डेरिवेटिव 4. So got the answer as 4 sec square 4x. Is there some clear? बराबर है? Right? Right? Okay. Now let's come to the second question. Second C. They have given you f of x as x plus 1 into 2x minus 1 and we are supposed to find out f dash 2. बच्चों प्लीज समझ लो. f dash x जब फाइंड करते हो you get the expression and f dash a is any constant, you get a value. Is it clear? So the formula जो आपने बाहर किया है f dash x का, बच्चे एक बार फिर से बोल के दिखाओ. लिमिट ऑफ f of x plus h minus f of x upon h as h tends to 0. Now you are interested in finding out f dash 2. So replace each x by 2. Right? अगर f dash pi by 4 कहते हैं तो I would replace each x by pi by 4. Right? So first of all let's simplify this given expression. f of x को modify कर लेते हैं. When I multiply by x, this will be 2x square minus x. 1 से multiply करेंगे तो 2x minus 1. So I get f of x as 2x square plus x minus 1. ठीक है? 2 square 4, 2s are 8. 8 plus 2 10. 10 minus 1 9. Minus times. And we are supposed to find out f dash pi by 4. ठीक है? तो बाहर बहुत स्लो ऐसा लग रहा है. ना बच्चा f dash pi by 4. तो f dash pi by 4 का फॉर्मूला x के जगह पे pi by 4 बोलोगे. चलो बोलो क्या आएगा? f of pi by 4 plus h minus f of pi by 4 upon h as h tends to 0. So let's find out f of pi by 4 first. बच्चों pi by 4 मतलब 45 डिग्री. बराबर है? So tan 45 is 1. Now f of पाई बाय 4 प्लस h। बच्चों इसका मतलब x के जगह पे पाई बाय 4 प्लस h। So I can apply the modified identity 1 plus tan h upon 1 minus tan h. So let me substitute the value. Pi by 4 plus h is 1 plus tan h upon 1 minus tan h. Pi by 4 is 1. The whole thing upon h. H tends to 0. बच्चों sin h upon h की जोड़ी बनाओ, tan h upon h की जोड़ी बनाओ, या 1 minus cos h upon x square की जोड़ी बनाओ। समझ में आ रहा है? So I will take the LCM 1 plus tan h minus 1 plus tan h upon 1 minus tan h. नीचे का h I have taken the LCM 1 minus tan h। बच्चों 1 and 1 cancel हो गया, tan h plus tan h 2 tan h। नीचे का क्वांटिटी है h and 1 upon 1 minus। बराबर बच्चों, tan h is 2 tan h and 1 minus tan। Now tan